making mini cheesecakes, and I have my sous chef Sydney who will be helping me today. And so let's get started. Okay, so for mini cheesecakes, as we have on my little recipe card. Okay, so you're gonna need 2 things of cream cheese, preferably softened. This is 8 tablespoons of butter. We will only be needing 6, so this and like half of this one. But we decided to just get extra. And then we have our 2 bowls, our lemon juice, our 2 eggs already prepared. We have our cream cheese that looks atrocious.
Looks like cream.
And then we have our cinnamon. And we have our little measuring things. And we have our vanilla. We have our brown sugar. We have our regular granulated sugar, not powdered, granulated. And then we have our measuring cups.
Yep.
And our beater. You can't forget the beater and our graham crackers. Okay, so we're gonna grab our first bowl. I'm gonna use this bowl for the crust. And so then you're gonna need to crush your graham crackers, which I'm gonna do right now. I'm going to smash them. So now I'm just gonna carefully measure them in here. I already filled up this one, so I can go ahead and pour this in the bowl. You'll only need a 1 1/4 cup, so I'll just take another one of these because I'm already using it. It's very hard to maneuver, but it's okay. And so I just put this in here, and we have our graham crackers mashed up. So now my sous chef is going to add the brown sugar. And then we also need our butter. Okay. So we need 1 of these, and then I'll cut this one in half and melt these, and I'll be back to you. This in. Okay. So when it is mixed at the right, to right consistency, you want to be able to push it against the side and it stay there on the side like that. So now we're gonna add my favorite part, which is the cinnamon. But just add, this is 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, or until your desire. Now we're going to put this in the liners. This smells and tastes really good, so that's always a plus. So you're gonna add about an inch, or I guess enough to cover the bottom of crust. So this is my stand-in sous chef, Piper Babay. Hello. And Piper is going to unbox this cream cheese while I unbox the other one. Now you're just gonna beat the cream cheese on medium speed for 1 to 2 minutes. We're going to add in the rest of the ingredients. So we have our 2 large eggs. Make sure they're large. They need to be large. Okay. Now I'm gonna add some sour cream. Oh, look at that water. I'm gonna add some sour cream into the mix.
And you're gonna scrape the bowl.
Yes, make sure you get every ounce of it. Okay. So now you're gonna add your sugar. So satisfying. You see all the dust? Okay, then you're gonna add your vanilla for us. Oh! That's probably enough. It doesn't hurt to have too much vanilla. So the mixture is gonna be nice and thick, like that. And you're just gonna take and fill them almost to the top. Make sure they're out. Add an inch, maybe 2 inches. 1.5 inches to 2 inches in the things. Try not to get them on the pan, like I just did, but. You're putting it into the oven, so you need an oven mitt. This is safety precaution. Oh my God, it beeped! Let's go! They look, you know what? They're done at this point. They should be cracking at the top and slightly golden brown, but cracking is also good if there's no golden brown. Just cracking means that they've hardened and they're turned into a solid. I'm waiting for these to cool off. They're probably cool by now.
Where's the...
Now they freeze for 3 hours or until served.